Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a major makeup haul for you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram and if you watch my previous vlog, then you guys know I recently went to Minnesota and I did a little shopping. I asked you guys on Instagram stories if you wanted me to do one giant haul or if you wanted me to split it up, clothes and shoes, and then makeup and skincare. So the two videos one, so I'm doing this one first. I'm not wearing makeup today. I'm letting my face breathe. I got a few breakouts, so that's why. I also just threw on a hat, of course, because I didn't want to be bothered with my hair. You guys know the deal. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some makeup I was given as birthday gifts, as well as a bag full of makeup from Walmart that I actually purchased a little over a month ago. I just never got around to filming it, so I'm going to throw that in here just so I don't have to film a separate haul video for you guys, and it will all be one massive makeup haul basically. So if you guys want to see all of the makeup that I purchased recently, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I want to start with Sephora. My bag is all beat up and toe up because, of course, traveling, it got smushed. But let's get the tissue paper out. I only picked up one thing, you guys. Honestly, I went to Sephora because I had a gift card. I won an Instagram giveaway and I wanted to use my gift card. I also wanted to pick up my free birthday gift, and I decided to pick up Beauty Cleanser Solid Pro, which is by Beauty Blender. So this is what it looks like. It is taped. Let me open it up really quick. It comes with a little rubber mat so you can go ahead and clean your brushes. And then this is what the inside looks like. So basically this is the solid brush cleanser. I kind of wish the packaging was a little smaller since the actual product is smaller than the packaging, or they should have made more product. But this one is 5.3 ounces. It was a little bit expensive, but I wanted something to really clean my brushes. I just ran out of my brush cleaner. I was just using a bar of soap. So that is what I picked up from Sephora with my gift card, as well as my free birthday gift. This one is just the Bite Beauty set. You get 2 lip products and then their like lip mask. So that's everything in my Sephora bag. And then one other thing from Sephora. This was actually a gift from my husband for my birthday, and it's the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze Perfect Tan Bronzer. This is what it actually looks like. I did use it when we were on our trip. It comes with this cute little like laminate cover. It has a big giant mirror, and then this is what the actual bronzer looks like. Next thing I'm going to share with you guys is a gift from my friend Marlene. She sent me a little surprise gift, and if you watch the vlog you have already seen that, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys. She gave me the L'Oreal Paris Paradise Enchanted Peach collection, and she also gifted me 2 blushes. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And then next store I went to was actually Ulta. I was really excited to go to Ulta. I actually had a gift card for Ulta as well, which I received from Ebates, and it worked out so perfectly because I wanted to go in and get my birthday gift as well from Ulta. And if you guys don't use Ebates, I have a link down below. It's free to sign up. This was the birthday gift that I got. It's the Birthday Kisses from Ulta Beauty collection. Basically, you get one of their lip oils and a little lip mask. So I picked up the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. It's just a little mini one. Let me go ahead and take it out for you guys. It's so tiny and adorable. And I figured I would get this mini one just because I wanted to try it. I've never tried her highlighters, and it was only $12. And I figured, like, when am I really going to go through a full-size highlighter? So I picked this one up, and it's just really cute. I liked how small it was. I also picked up 3 different lip glosses, you guys. The first one is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Tease. And this is just a really pretty milky nude color. I've never tried the formula, so I wanted to give it a try. I've heard amazing things about these lip glosses. And then I saw the display for the new L'Oreal Paris Havana Camila Cabello collaboration that they did. I got the Lip Dew, which is a lip gloss. So this is in the shade desnudo, which basically means naked in Spanish. They only had this shade on the display because everything else was pretty much sold out. So this is the only one I was able to pick up. And the next lip gloss I picked up was from Dose of Colors, and it's the one with I Love Sarai. That display was like completely wiped out. I really wanted to get one of the highlighters, but it was completely gone. I swatched this in store and it was just so beautiful. I had to pick it up. It's so beautiful, you guys. Like, look at this packaging. I'm obsessed with this gorgeous packaging. It's so beautiful. The lip gloss is really pretty. I really wanted to get like the more golden highlight because there was a pinkier one and I just didn't see myself using that one as much, but it was gone, so that's all I picked up. And this is all I got from Ulta. Next is Target. I don't have a bag to show you guys or anything like that, but I picked up 2 products from Pacifica Beauty. I've heard a lot of amazing things about this brand. They are vegan and cruelty free. So when I saw this stuff, I really just wanted to try it because I tried some of their makeup wipes. I really like them. That's actually what I was looking for when I was trying to find the brand, but they were sold out. And I ended up getting this coconut milk cream to foam face wash, which looks like this. And anything with coconut, I need it in my life. You guys already know I'm obsessed with the smell. I need it in my life. I love it. Coconut, give it to me. And the other thing I picked up from them was their Coconut Essence Hydro Mist. And I believe this is basically kind of like a setting spray or like a setting primer, just like a maybe Mario Badescu type of spray. I'm not really 100% sure yet. But these were the 2 things I picked up from Target. These were actually a little bit more expensive than I was expecting, and then when I went to Ulta, because I went to Target first, I saw these same products and they were a few dollars cheaper. So if you guys are interested in trying these, then I would highly recommend you just go to Ulta instead. Plus you get your points at Ulta. Target doesn't give you points. So I'm just super excited to try those. I went to Walgreens. Every time I go out of town and there's a Walgreens in the city, I have to go. I didn't pick up a lot, but I got 2 lipsticks that were on sale. I think they were 50% off. They are both from Burt's Bees. I picked up 2 nude shades. I got the shade Blush Basin and Suede Splash. So they're just 2 nude shades, and I wanted to try the formula of these. I really enjoy the formula of their blushes, so I wanted to give these a try, and I got them 50% off like I said. I got a backup of my favorite Kiss lash glue, and this is actually their strip lash adhesive with aloe one. I believe they have another one that's black, but this one is clear. And then I also picked up another pair of Aylor and Nicole Guerrero foam ink lashes in the Faux Flawless style. I love these, and every time I go to Walgreens I have to pick up some of her eyelashes. These were actually the last ones on the rack, so I was only able to pick up 1. So that's all I got from Walgreens. And then I went to Tjmaxx. So here is my bag. It's actually a little bit heavy. I picked up a lot more skincare this time around. So the first thing I picked up was this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. It was only $9.99, and at Sephora it was like $28, I believe, or $38. I can't even remember. I'll put it right here for you guys. But they sell these still at Sephora for full price, and if you check Tjmaxx, maybe even Marshalls, you can find these for $9.99. I got the shade Banana, which is basically like a contouring shade, and this is what the packaging looks like. And there is what the foundation looks like. The other thing I picked up was from Kat Von D, and it's this Lock-It Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer. It was only $2.99. I got the shade Light. Normally they only have like medium or deep, so I was very happy to see that they had a light shade, and that's what that looks like. I picked up this, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but I will leave it right here for you guys. It's a coconut pineapple natural deodorant, and this one is for sensitive skin. This is what it looks like. I actually saw Juicy Jazz haul this. This was only $4.99. When I heard that there was a coconut pineapple one, I had to look for it when I was at Tjmaxx. This is what it looks like. I have already used it, but I have tried a few different scents from this brand. I also picked up another activated charcoal fluoride-free toothpaste from My Magic Mud Whitening Toothpaste. So this is what it looks like. I actually hauled one of these in one of my last makeup hauls. The last one I hauled, I think, was peppermint or something like that, and I didn't even know that they were different flavors. So I wasn't paying attention when I bought the previous one, and it was disgusting, and I almost threw up. Like, no joke. I used it 2 times, and that was more than enough. Like, I couldn't do it. But I'm hoping that this spearmint one is way better. I got this as well. This was only $3.99. It's a dual-ended complexion tool for like your whiteheads and your blackheads. I wanted to give this a try just because I feel like I've been having a hard time really getting rid of my whiteheads and my blackheads, so I want to give that a try. I've never tried one of those before. And then I picked up this Coop and Daisy Night Glow Sleeping Serum, and it was only $5.99. The bottle is so cute. It's so beautiful. It's heavy. It feels luxurious, and it just intrigued me, and I'm all about facial oils. So I'm going to be giving this a try. So the last product I picked up from Tjmaxx is from the brand Dirty Works. I've actually picked up tons of their products from Tjmaxx before. This is the Coconut Foaming Sugar Scrub, and the packaging is adorable. It said coconut, and it was super affordable. So that's everything from Tjmaxx. I have one more bag full of goodies from Walmart, and these are the products I bought about a month ago. So this is what the shades look like, you guys. I'm trying really hard not to blind you. There we go. So that's what they look like. This is the violet one down here, and then this is the Jewels Rock. I'm a huge fan of their eyeshadow palettes. I own every single one of them, and I actually have another one in the Walmart bag. So here is the other one, and this is the Magnify Spice Edition, you guys. So this one I actually picked up before these two. So I'm going to go ahead and do a close-up of this one as well. So here are the shades in this one. Try not to blind you guys, but there they are. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on any of these palettes, or if you would like me to just do a swatch video. So let me go ahead and show you the rest of the goodies in here. I actually picked up 2 sets of Kiss nails, but I already wore the other ones. They're the ones I used in my How I Apply Press-On Nails video, so if you guys are interested, I'll leave that video down below for you guys. But these are the other ones that I picked up. I've actually worn this style many times before. The next product I picked up was actually from e.l.f. I had never seen this before, and it's the Total Face Sponge. I also picked up this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water. This has actually been out for, I think, a few months. It just got to my Walmart about a month ago when I picked this up, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then I did get another spray. This one is the Rimmel London Fix and Go Stay Matte 2-in-1 Primer and Setting Spray. This says it's for shine control. I actually have dry skin, so I don't know how well this one is going to work, but it's Rimmel London and I buy all of their products, so I wanted to try this. I know they have their Insta something setting spray, but that's only in the UK and Canada, I believe. So hopefully that one will come here, because I don't think that one is supposed to be a matte setting spray, but I'm still going to try it. And then, so I have these 2 that I picked up. I picked up 2 of these Wild Rose Hydro Gel Gold Mask from Maskology. I actually have seen their gold one, and I had never seen this rose one, so I picked 2 of these up. So I'm excited to try those. So I have some CoverGirl products to share with you guys. So the first thing that really caught my eye was this CoverGirl Chocolate Contour Palette. So that's what this one looks like. I picked up the new CoverGirl True Naked Peach Punch. So I feel like right now, peach is totally super popular at the drugstore. I know Too Faced has already done the whole peach scented stuff, but I thought this was adorable, and they actually have quite a few little eyeshadow palettes. And then lastly, I picked up 2 of their new blushes. These are the Peach Punch Blush, and these are peach scented, just like the L'Oreal ones. These are also scented with peach, so I'm really curious to test out the formula and kind of compare it to the L'Oreal one. That's it for my haul, you guys. That is everything that I have purchased, everything that was gifted to me, and everything that I picked up about a month ago. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know if there are any specific products you want to see in a specific video, and I will definitely film that for you guys. I'm thinking of doing a first impression on some of these products and maybe some tutorials, so let me know what you guys think about that. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, especially if you like hauls. I will continue to do them. I love filming hauls. I love watching hauls, and that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!